Hello, today we will guide you through how to set own font in Linktree. If you want to give your Linktree page a more personalized look, changing the font is a simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the design settings and choose a different page font so your profile better matches your style or brand. To begin, go to the Linktree admin area. This is where you manage your Linktree page, including your links, appearance, and overall settings. Once you're in the admin dashboard, you'll be ready to adjust the visual design of your page. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Design. This section controls how your Linktree appears to visitors. It includes settings for colors, buttons, themes, and text styling. Since we're updating the font, this is the section you'll need. After opening the design area, click on Text. The text settings allow you to control typography-related options for your page. This is where you can make adjustments that affect how written content appears across your Linktree, helping you create a look that feels clean, polished, and consistent. Once you're in the text section, find the Page Font drop-down menu and click on it. This menu displays the available font options for your page. Opening the drop-down lets you browse the styles currently offered in Linktree. As you review the list, keep readability in mind. A font can look stylish, but it should also be easy for visitors to read quickly, especially on mobile devices. Now select your preferred font from the list. When you choose a sample font, your page styling will update to reflect that selection. This gives you a quick way to preview how your text will look as part of your overall page design. If you're aiming for a professional appearance, a simple and clean font often works best. If your brand is more creative or playful, you may want something with a bit more character, as long as it remains easy to read. And that's all it takes to set your font in Linktree. By going to the admin area, opening Design, selecting Text, using the Page Font drop-down, and choosing a font, you can quickly refresh the appearance of your page. After making your selection, take a moment to review the full page and make sure the font fits well with the rest of your design. This small change can make a big difference in how your Linktree feels to visitors.